Get down! It's gonna blow!
Oh, hi!
Okay.
This is the Cathal show with Cathal. What's on tonight's Cathal show? Couple of quid?
Yeah, play the song, boy.
Go on, talk us through what's on tonight's Cathal show with the Cathal Donnelly Cathal Parade.
Stop giving my second name away. People don't even add me, weirdos.
So he's putting the engine back in, Cathal. Cathal.
I didn't see the engine up last time.
Did it? But I haven't put it on the videotapes yet.
What's going to be on this week's episode, Shirley?
Everything. This week's one.
This week's
A
one.
load of crap. This week's? Right.
This week is next week.
This week is next week. You just talk us through. Go on. Tell us what's going on here.
We were supposed to be at first round. We missed it. We were supposed to be at second round.
We're not going to miss it. You said we're not missing it.
We're not missing it, but I can't see us being there with this thing. Like.
But sure, like, all he's doing there now is he's just going to finish this mount here, look.
That mount should actually be in it.
Yeah, he's going to finish it. He's all the subframe done. He's all the subframe finished. And he's going to do this mount here. And then Foley's coming out on Saturday and he's going wiring the car, the Kia. And that's that. What's more to want? Chris made up these fancy little doohickey mounts for your... where'd you get your expansion bottle?
They sell them in...
What's that out of, like?
Oh, that?
Yeah.
Out of Golf City.
It's out of Golf. So Golf, Opel. Them things over there are out of a Hiace. That's out of a Ford. That's a BMW. What else? There was something else, wasn't there?
I'm from Cork.
You're from Cork. I'm from Cork.
You're not from Cork.
Forklifts from Japan. I'm not from Cork. What are you doing?
Throwing my money, but I'm good for now. I'm broke.
Have you got like connectors and stuff, like ring terminals and spade terminals and stuff?
You're a spade terminal.
Have
we got spade terminals, Chris?
And ring terminals?
And ring terminals. I have a box of them at home, but... You know.
There with the rest of the stuff.
Right next to everything else.
He always calls me donkey.
Hi, Shane.
How things?
This is our wiring guru, Shane.
Guru.
Shane's back to do some wiring. Look at you going knitting.
This is knitting.
I got
You got what?
Tell him to grab some eyelets as well.
I have a big massive box of them at home.
Australians call them eyelets.
Huh?
Eyelets.
What size of blues is it?
A selection box would be nice.
Oh jeez, I have a massive selection box at home, like.
Tell them to collect them on the way.
My keys are in my pocket for the shed. Hello.
Yeah,
You're on the tapes now, so be quiet.
on the tapes.
Will you bring home? Have you a selection box behind you there of blue terminals?
The crimp ones, like.
No, the ones you put on with your teeth.
We're wearing fuel pumps at the moment and brake lights. And we might put in some air.
Oh, I must do a front.
I'll do the back speakers as well while I'm doing the
Yeah,
back
I'd like
stuff.
some speakers. There's
Yeah.
actually holes in the roof for the
Put in
speakers.
an amp and a sub and
Nice. Where? Look how excited he is. Look.
yeah.
It's not real, Chris. This is make-believe time. I need one across there, isn't it? Brake light. You know, when you're reversing. Oh, lad, you cut that out, did you? Oh, no, you didn't. I thought you were putting in the other pulley, Chris. You just can't figure it out.
I'm trying to figure it out. Trying
pulley
to
Chris
increase the
now.
same tension.
Huh? Other pulley, Chris? Bracket, Chris, they call him. He loves brackets.
Brackets.
Where's your bracket gone?
Brackets.
That's there.
Where's your bracket gone? Where's your bracket?
He's funny, isn't he? I like him. Let's see what this guy's got up his sleeve.
Have we got small cable ties?
We do actually, yeah.
Yes. The big massive packet of cable ties. These will keep me going for like 5 seconds.
Hey! What are you doing there?
It's all about the fame with you, isn't it, Cathal?
Yeah, Cathal.
With the fame, yeah, that's why I picked the drifter, it doesn't drift.
That's not funny. I was trying that.
He was crashing.
I was
that,
trying
Ollie.
that. Shut up, baby. I didn't crash once.
Chill out, I'm joking. Me and Danny laughed at you as well the other day.
He was
Tell you.
Danny was into work.
Oh, yeah,
All the
sound.
boys were in.
Here it is, lad. What do you think of that
Am I
now?
supposed to look at you or the camera?
Look
You
at,
can't
look at
figure it out.
both.
I don't know.
What's that? Aye!
I couldn't be bothered.
You can. Go on,
No.
just talk us through. You weren't even drinking that night.
It's not that exciting. I'm wiring up the fuel pumps
Okay. That's it.
on this end. I
Oh, you're
don't
putting
know
the-
about the other end.
What
though.
about this?
Oh, that's for your brake light, apparently.
Savage. Yeah.
I put
Is
it
that
through.
as well?
I put it
Jeez.
through Cathal's
Little wormhole.
drain hole.
Yeah. Remember there was an episode where you were removing that and reinstalling it.
Oh yeah. Don't remember that toast.
I made a plate. Did you see my plate? Very proud of my plate.
Why did you just cable that to it?
No, I drew a little I am. But just
No, why did you?
What? I'll show you in a minute. Look, very tidy. Say it out to Mark.
Who the smart guy is, but does he live inside and let it box in your hands? This is weird.
Hello, Mark. What's that?
Have you seen what Charlie's done today? Oh, come, Cathal, come and have a look at what Charlie's done. Oh, that's amazing. Well done, Charlie.
I
Well done.
like your knitting with cable.
Oh, he's like the cable tie master.
Yeah.
Did you go to cable tie school?
You're not gonna put any of this in, like.
I know.
Foley's doing a grandmother wiring today, like.
Get down! It's gonna blow!
I better go over and see what Chris is doing. What are you doing, Chris? Hey,
Sculpting!
I see you made a nice bracket there.
Where?
Up there in the engine.
That's what I do. I'm the bracket maker.
He's the bracket maker. Really story based on brackets, huh, about when you were younger.
Yeah.
Go on.
I was, it was a day like this one.
You might speak a little louder.
It was a day like this. The wind blowing outside. And it was dark as well when
Did you see that?
Shh, he's telling a story, right?
When I walked in the shed, it was really dark. And I hit my head on a bracket. Yeah, when you've got a really big injector and you need to slip it in.
So that's what the Vaseline spray does.
Put the Vaseline spray does it.
That's the wrong way around.
Huh?
Wrong way around.
Ah,
Sorry, could you say that again without the profanities? That's the wrong way around. Oh, darn. Oh. Look at the way it slides in. What are your thoughts on it?
but this one is an elbow going down there.
What?
That one's an elbow to go down.
I thought you weren't. I thought you were running it down the middle like this.
Huh?
You need to explain yourself first, right?
There's nothing to explain. The elbow, yeah.
I understand the elbow, yes,
This
but you're
is a
not
thing-
running the three elbows on the top.
No.
Blanking the end.
No. We're going to do, just going to go straight in like that. And with and the return,
Which one's the return?
the return comes to here.
And the elbow's the other feed in. And blank the last dude.
It's up to you. You can go to this one with that one, right?
Yeah.
The other feed can go into here.
Okay.
And the return comes out the middle and goes to here. So maybe the elbow here. and around.
Right.
Whatever looks neatest to you.
Carl's the boss of neatness, so I might ask his opinion. What's your opinion? You've a new fan
Yeah.
from YouTube. Cathal. Here's your new friend. It's a big fan you have.
This is Quad 12X 500.
Jesus. What
How
kind
much
of,
do these retail at, Chris? 700.
what kind of BPU does it produce?
A good one.
It's not BPU, is it? Hey! 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 What's the quantity of air, or how's air red?
Huh?
How is air red?
How is it red?
Yes.
It's not red, you can't see it, it's clear.
Aww.
Hey,
Hey, is that your newborn?
What are you going to do about it? Come on.
Chris, you're showing ugly, wait.
How will you help it? It's got a Gearbox in it.
Me, I might trust you back.
Here, look.
I might just do with it. Where are we going with it?
We're going to put it on the ground first.
What the hell? That looks like a toilet bowl. Jesus, it's actually quite nice, isn't it? Chris's homemade adapter plate. Nice work, Chris. What was it in that we... Oh, I see. You used the starter, is that?
Oh, see, Leisha.
See that, Cathal? That's what you were lifting it out of. We're sorry, Mr. I'm a barra expert.
Please put that in.
Of course I could.
With his children, see that 20 years, like, that was my father.
I used to do this all the time to RB25s on SR20.
Yeah?
Houses.
The
What
fudging
drink was
ones.
this? The one last time going for that?
Oh, God.
I think it's a pretty good job for a homemade job. What about the starter hole? I thought you were putting that
Good job,
over.
that's class.
Yeah, it's homemade though. That's what you call it when you make it at home.
What do you want with this?
Oh, lad!
This is CS engineering, boy. What do you want? It's a homemade job at all.
Who's CS Engineering?
Flippy flops. That smells of ends.
You're a sicko.
Huh?
I'm making headway anyway with these pipes.
You're doing what?
Ooh. I just
Lift
did,
the car up and put the box on the floor.
I just did a banger of my own. Moustache.
No, it's my nose.
Chris, can I finish my job first, please? I've nearly finished it, like.
Yes.
Up she goes! For the 31st time. Hey, look at this, Chris. Or Kyle.
No, Chris.
Look how tasty it is on the tabs.
That's what I said. You do that.
Chris, obviously.
Everything that's very black wasn't Chris.
Come on, lift that up.
Ah, Jesus, Chris, I'm Irish.
There's a bloody hoist there, lads. I'm afraid of it. Wind your fingers. You need them. How,
Slaves, good condition,
how come yours works?
Yours works when you just don't ever use it.
Did you accompany for the dole, Chris?
Yes, I did. Where's the flywheel?
I wish you had to do this either too.
Huh?
Dude, I'm still
I've seen it. Who released it?
What was that nice, Chris? Go back a tiny bit.
Squeegee up. Come on.
Keep squeegeing up, yeah.
Yeah, I'll do it.
I told you they're crap, they don't go away now.
What are you doing?
I mean, crap. Squeegee up.
Up.
Oh, lad. It's actually spot on where it is. No, it's not really. Stop your language, will you? You are a effing genius. Lad, you are an effing genius. Do you know what would make you more of a genius? A flywheel. It looks like it's factory, like. Is that actually in the centre hole now?
That's centre, yeah.
No, but is there, what are we doing about a spigot?
Speakers on the flywheel.
And have you one on it?
No.
So where are we going to get one?
You're going to make one as well.
You can buy them online.
God.
You can buy them
No,
online.
they're different. It's different, this one. This is my spigot.
You're going to make a spigot? Such a weird word, isn't it? Say spigot.
Bigger.
Say spigot.
Spaghetti.
We find some bolts to bolt this up.
Yeah, it's your house.
This one here.
I'm excited. Yeah, she's actually, when I look at it, the box is slightly longer than the old. Oh,
I'm sure if you want.
it's a lot longer. Look at the linkage. Say the linkage goes on there. It's not too bad. We're gonna have to shorten that linkage though, like a lot. We have a gearbox. Do a gearbox dance there, Cathal.